And once your vacuum starts running longer and charging normally again, you'll know your Dyson battery issue is fixed. In many cases, battery problems aren't caused by a dead battery, but by calibration issues, poor charging habits, or simple maintenance problems. If resetting doesn't improve performance, it may be time to replace the battery. Signs like very short runtime, frequent overheating, failure to hold a charge, or a battery older than 3 to 5 years usually indicate replacement is needed. Always use genuine batteries from Dyson for safety and reliable performance. Before replacing anything, try a full discharge and recharge cycle. Run the vacuum until the battery completely drains and the unit turns off. Let it cool down fully, then charge it uninterrupted until it reaches 100%. This recalibrates the battery's charge indicator and often restores normal behavior. You can also perform a basic battery reset. Remove the battery from the vacuum if your model allows it, wait about 15 seconds, then reinsert it firmly, and place the vacuum on the charger. Make sure the charger is properly connected and the charging pins are clean. Before resetting, check the basics. Test a different power outlet, confirm the charger is working, clean the battery contacts, and remove any blockages from the vacuum. Dirty filters and clogged airways put extra strain on the battery and reduce runtime. Dyson cordless batteries usually last 3 to 5 years, but lifespan depends heavily on usage. Overcharging, deep discharging, and exposure to extreme heat or cold can shorten battery life. Store your vacuum in a cool, dry place and avoid leaving it plugged in constantly. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to reset, maintain, and extend the life of your Dyson cordless vacuum battery. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple home tech fixes.